Alright guys, BMX Knife Rider here, and this is my Eastern Sequence custom bike check. Start off at the top, I got some Shadow Conspiracy bar ends, pretty shitty, you feel me? Shit. I got some Vans Colt collaboration grips with the waffle grip. I like the design. Hoffman Bomber V2s in chrome, obviously. I have a Tech 77 brake lever. Oh, and I just put brakes on. This is a brand new gyro setup. Doesn't work that good right now, but I mean it's still pretty Gucci. I got an Odyssey upper cables in black. Obviously, I have just a stock fit top-load stem. I think I don't really know it's stem, but it's whatever. It's a stem. And then I have the Colt headset. I have the Snafu Mobius detangler. My frame is a Eastern Sequence frame, and I guarantee it will not stay strong. I should have another sticker up here that will say it will break because I've snapped every single Eastern frame I've ever had. And I got Fit Shiv 2 forks with some premium V2 light front wheel. Gotta love the round rim and the spoke design, how it goes inside instead of in and out. Pretty beast. Better for protecting your spokes, I haven't broke a spoke yet in like a year. I got Demolition Momentum in 2.35, and it barely cleared my forks. Like, I don't understand why Fit wouldn't make such a wider fork, because they make fast, which are pretty cool. Whatever though, it works. If I even tweak my front wheel a little bit, it starts to rub. It rubs right now. I'm just running, I don't know, just like a front peg. Like, I don't know what kind of peg it is really. I have some older profile cranks. Older profile team cranks, Got some Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in clear. My seat, it's a poverty, I think. Kind of do not know. I have I got an animal seat post. I have a solid sprocket in 25. And then I have some just piece of shit Walmart chain. I have a Snafu dual brakes, right? I have the Diatech brake, U-brake. I put some cool stops on it, cool stop brake pads, because the ones that came on it were crappy. And then for my back end, I have, just some tire that I'm using for now. I don't really know what kind of tire it is. Like, leave comments in leave comments on what tire you think it is, because I really just do not know. I'm just running that because I used to have the same exact front tire in the back, but I ran over a rock and it ripped it. I don't know how, but plus those two were brand new tires, not even like a month in, and I ripped it. They're about like 30 a piece around there, but whatever. And then my back wheel is just some stock, like they call it the Odyssey replacement hub, because it has all the same pieces that you could use into an Odyssey back hub. And it's just a 9-tooth for $100. Bought it at the bike shop at Elite. And back peg, I'm running a solid back peg. And that's my bike check.